So, trying to get damn motorcycles. We're gonna try and get a quick rip on the track. Test out our rigs. Rain stopped for a minute. We're gonna start with our WL124008. Upgraded to 2845. Got our, I don't know if you can see it in there. Got our fix for the chassis till we get a new one in. Looks like the parts are a lot more available now. I see them on the alley now instead of having to go to the WL source, so that's good. That's a good. We got an upgraded servo. It's the Surpass Hobby, 17 kilogram. So we'll start with this guy. We'll get ripping, and we'll move on to the LC and then the truggy conversions. We'll be right back. Alright. Hopefully I put this on right so you can see what I'm seeing. Come on. Oh, the goats? Yeah. Turkeys. First on the batch, the 112. Servo's a little screwy. I'm not sure what's going on there. It was fine the other day. Alright. Stop hitting the throttle. And he's got the $4 tires on him. Seems pretty good. Don't look wet, but it is. So these tires are kind of slippy. Gotta land it first with these. Little traction roll there. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Maybe I cut this one short. Well, gives me something to do this afternoon. You see that? You see that? It's kind of crappy. So broken already. But this is probably overdue. These are the same originals. I got lots of spares of these. That looks like I hit it pretty hard. But get a close up. Oh well, that was short. Be back with the LC. part. This is our LC upgraded hobby wing, 16 BL30. A little track time. Record it. Man, this thing just goes. It's less effort to drive is my best way of putting it. No hitting the wall. Ooh. It just goes. Traction rolling already. A little, there's setting water. Hey, there's Cat. Awesome. Ooh, look at that horn. See that, guys? Hornets, wasps, hornets, all that are in the ant family. They're not bees. Kill them. Anyways, back to it. I thought I lost hand there, so. Get my sea legs, get my sea legs. Come on. Something with that corner. Hooks up nice. I could probably run this on half throttle and get the same performance. I don't know what it's set to right now. I didn't look. But I'm not trying to run fast. I'm trying to learn the track. Double wobble. Getting a little heavy on that. Man. Problem with this tape, you get it rain and forget it. Alright, I think I got my duty worked out. 3 laps. 3 laps. 1 on the inside, 1 on the outside, and then my choice on the end. So I got a lap tester. Dang it. Traction rolls in that thick grass. Traction rolls. So as I was saying, I downloaded the app for that lap counter. We'll give her a whirl. It's gonna rain today, so I'm not even gonna bother weed whacking. I'll wait until after the rain. I'm just playing. Alright, let's start over. Inside, outside, inside. This is 2S 2838. Cruising through that thick grass like it was nothing. That's the difference between an LC and a WL. They get in the tall grass and they just stop. This thing kind of powers through it. Mostly probably drivetrain and quality of the parts. Either way, I dig it. Either way, I dig it. Huh. Fly. I'm really happy with her. So glad I got it. By far my favorite car. There's nothing that compares. I'm not saying other cars ain't fun, but for this track, this car is perfect. It is perfect. Alright. I'm happy. I'm happy. I dig it. On to the next one. I dig it. So far so good with the hobby wing. So far so good. Alright. We'll just run right through. Last one's going to be our 114 Truggy, which I would say is a 116 the way they do the sizing. I'll do a comparison later, so I'll put it next to a 116 little basher queen like the game tree or whatever. It's pretty much the same size, but leaps and bounds better than still a little funky in the drivetrain. I got something going on. That wheel doesn't like to spin. This one likes to spin too much. So diff looks like it might be a little goofy. It was an aftermarket on the front. Back one is a WL. So yeah. I'm going to go to the 15-tooth pinion. Yeah, that just, it's tied up. What's going on? Tweaking. Oh, I did go to 15. Probably a little tight. I'm not sure if you can see it in there. A little outcast, a little mini outcast. She's ripped though. Yeah, that's too tight. That's right, I did switch to the 15. That's just too tight. Oh, the bat, no wonder. Duh. Never mind. forgot to bring the charged battery out, so. Oh well, stupid Paul. That's it for now on this battery. One of these days I'll learn. That's what happens when you drive for 14 hours the day before. Long day, long day. It's all battery. None of these are, all these are symptoms of battery. Coggin isn't real coggin over on it. But you see I put a 15 tooth in there. She looks real good. There is a problem with this drive. I think it's the front, like I was saying, the front diff. It just clicks a little. I don't know. It's running good though for the most part. It's locked up good. Time to play. More things to do on a rainy day, which will be later this afternoon. Anyways, hope you liked. I know I had 2 casualties, but that one ran good. And that one ran good until it didn't. So, we'll get them right. We'll get them right. Fun in the sun. Well, we got a few minutes of it. Like and subscribe.